Hey everybody, let's take a look at how to use the snipping tool. The first thing you're going to want to have is a document open on your screen, and that document should be the thing you want to copy from. In this case, I have a student work sample, and I want to copy a portion into a student's report. So I'm going to have that document open, and then I'm going to look in the bottom left-hand corner of my screen for the window pane icon, and I'm going to click on that icon. It's going to open up a search line for me, and in that search line, I'm going to type snipping tool. It's going to open up a link to the snipping tool that's going to look something like this, and you're going to want to click on that link. Then it's going to open up a box, and you're going to want to click on the tab that says New, and this will enable you to get a new item to copy and paste. Your screen is going to go gray. Don't panic. This is what it should look like. And you're going to move your cursor and highlight the area that you want to copy and paste. Once you've captured that section, you can look up in the far right-hand column and click on the copy button. This is going to copy it to your clipboard. Then you paste it right into your document and move it around wherever you need it, resize it if you need to. It works the same whether it's a Microsoft Word document or a Google Doc. Good luck.